Let's look at this question. Five players, Adam, Bolt, Cole, Derek, Frank, belong to five countries: Brazil, England, France, USA, and Jamaica, not necessarily in the same order. Each of them plays exactly one sport among cricket, hockey, football, baseball, and boxing, and wears a jersey of a different color from among yellow, white, brown, green, and red. During Commonwealth game, they visited India and stayed at different places. Four of them stayed in hotels with ratings 3 star, 4 star, 5 star, and 7 star, with one player in each type of hotel, while the remaining one player stayed in a sea resort. Okay, this looks like a box standard distribution question. Let me record the parameters. I have the parameter of name, I have country, then I have game, then I have jersey color, and then finally hotel. Okay, these are the five parameters associated with these individuals. Okay, first point. Adam, who does not play cricket, wears yellow colored jersey. Adam does not play cricket is not important, but he wears a yellow colored jersey is important. Record that. And Cole plays baseball. Cole plays baseball. Okay. So Adam does not play cricket. Cole does not play cricket. Fine. Derek stayed in a three-star hotel. He stayed in a three-star hotel, but he plays neither cricket nor boxing. He does not play cricket. Adam does not play cricket. Cole does not play cricket. Derek does not play cricket. And Derek also does not play boxing. Frank plays football. At this time itself, if Frank is playing football, can you see Adam does not play cricket, Cole does not play cricket, Derek does not play cricket, Frank does not play cricket. So the only person left, Bolt, has to play cricket. The third line, Frank plays football and wears a red colored jersey. A red colored. Oh, additional thing. Derek does not play boxing either. So Adam will play boxing and Derek will play the only left game, which is hockey. So five games have been uniquely identified by the third point itself. Bolt does not play hockey, yes, I agree, but he wears white colored jersey. Okay, white colored jersey. Set. For one of the players, the initials of his name and the initial of the country to which he belongs are two consecutive letters of the English alphabet. Okay, for A I can have B, for C I can have D or B, for D I can have C or E, for F I can have E or G, for B I can have A or C. I'm simply saying what can be the initial of the country that they belong to. Adam can belong to Brazil, possible. Cole, this D is impossible because there is no place with D. So Adam and Cole with B, possible pairing. Derek with C, there is no place with C, so not possible. Derek with E, there is an England, possible. Frank with E, possible, England. Frank with G, no place with G, so not possible. Bolt with A, not possible. And Bolt with C, not possible. There is no place with these names. So the pairing that they're talking of is either Adam Brazil, Cole Brazil, Derek England, or Frank England. Okay. This seems like an interesting point. We'll come back to it later. Frank stayed in a sea resort. Okay. So sea resort. Neither Frank nor Derek belong to England. If neither Frank nor Derek belong to England, then this is not happening definitely. This is not happening definitely. So Brazil will come in either Adam or in Cole. This much is known. Brazil will come in either Adam or in Cole. Bolt and Cole stayed in hotels with 5 stars and 7 stars. So Bolt in 5 star, Cole in 7 star. So the only hotel rating left is 4 star, which will be here with Adam. Okay, the player playing hockey wears green jersey. Hockey is with Derek, he is wearing a green jersey. So the only color of the jersey left is brown, which will be with Cole. This is also known. And the one who plays football does not belong to Jamaica. Frank is not from England. Frank is not from Jamaica. Frank is not from England, not from Jamaica. Okay. Bolt belongs to USA. Bolt belongs to USA. Okay. Now, uh, Frank does not belong to Jamaica is okay. What I'm saying is Derek and Frank cannot have England. Derek and Frank cannot have England. Derek and Frank cannot have Brazil either. So Adam or Cole will either be Brazil or England. And because Frank is not Jamaica, Jamaica will be Derek. The only country left is France, which will be Frank himself. So this is the only contentious point left. This is the only contentious. Everything else is uniquely known. The only contentious point left is country of Adam or Cole. We will see. First question: what is the color of the jersey worn by the boxer? Boxer is wearing a yellow colored jersey, so answer will be option A. Which sport does the player from France play? Player from France is playing football. Which of the following must be the correct combination of name, country, game, and color? Bolt USA, cricket white. Bolt USA, yes, this is valid. Option A is itself valid. Let us check option B. Cole, Brazil, baseball brown. It is possibly true, but is not guaranteed true. Cole could very well be paired with England. So not valid. Adam, England, boxing yellow. Again, not necessary. And this is of course incorrect because I have option A available. Identify the country and the game played by the player staying in the 4-star hotel. So 4-star hotel person is definitely playing boxing. Is definitely boxing, but his country is unknown. It could be Brazil or England. And in fact, if you look at option B and option C, they would give you the indication we have done it correctly because England and boxing, Brazil and boxing. Yes, so answer to the last question will be option D. So 4 answers will be A, and D finally.